everyone, by now you should have done our all sound lesson and now we are ready to play our all game. I'm going to put a picture in of the setup. So I've got some words written down, some all words, some not all words, and I've got my basin and spoon for my cauldron. And here is my magic wand, and we are going to make an all potion today. So here's all the words that I'll be using for this all potion. So let's have a look at these words. What sound is this one? Oh. If this is an all sound, can it go in our all potion? Yes, it can. Let me pop that in there. You ready? We do our spell. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. And give it a mix. Oh, shall we find another word? Let's see. What word is this one? Sock. That's not an all word, so that will not go in our potion. I'll put that down. Let's find another one. Let's see. Let's sound this out together. B-E-O. B-E-O. Bell. Can bell go in our potion? Is this an O word? It is. Let me put it in. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Let's give it a mix. Let's see. Let's find another word. Are you ready? Let's read this one. S-E-O. S-E-O. Sell. Sell. Is sell an all word? Can it go into our potion? It can. Let's do our spell again. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Give it a mix. Let's find another word. Let's see. Word is this one? Let's sound it out. Off. 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 Is off an all word? No, it is not. So that does not go in our potion. Let's find another one. Let's see. Let's sound this out. Oh, it. Oh, it. Lit. Is lit an all word? Yes, it is. Let me pop it in our potion already. Do our spell. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Give it a stir. Fantastic. Let's pick another word out. Let's see. P-I-C. Sound out again. P-I-C. Pick. Does pick belong in our potion? Should I put it in? No, it's not an all word, is it? I'll pop that one back over there. Let's see. Let's sound this one out. All up. All up. Lap. Does lap belong in our potion? Yes, it does, because it is an all word. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Give it a stir. This is a fantastic all potion we're making. Let's find another word. Let's see. Let's sound it out. B. O. S. B. O. S. Bus. Does bus belong in our potion? No, it is not an all word, and this is our all potion. Let's see, let's pick another one out. Oh, fun. Oh, fun. Does fun belong in our potion? No, it does not. Let's see. What about this one? Let's sound it out together. D. O. Ooh. Doll. One more time. D. O. Ooh. Doll. Does doll belong in our potion? Is it an ul word? It does. We do our spell. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Let's give our potion a mix. Woo, I think this is a fantastic ul potion. You can go through doing lots of ul words and seeing which words belong and which ones do not.